Recently iOS officially released 17 beta. Many people asked how to install it. Today I will teach you 3 steps to complete the download. Before the official start requires some preparations, including backing up your phone. Turn on iCloud automatic backup in settings. Takes about a few minutes. The second step is to search and download the Apple Developer application from the App Store. After the installation is complete, exit the App Store, open the Apple Developer software, select an account and log in. If you're not seeing the option to turn on beta updates or iOS 17 beta appear, try quitting and relaunching the Settings app. Or double-check you're running iOS 16.4 or later. If not, you'll need to update before getting the In Settings beta option. Just wait patiently for the download to complete. In the last step, the phone will automatically restart after the download is complete, and it will take a long time to load again. You need to wait for the phone to restart to complete. Then set your own personalized experience and password. You can go into the settings to see if you are done.